Hi, now I'm going to show the short video of my final project idea. And my idea is to build an expense tracker app. An expense tracker is an app that helps manage your personal expenses with an account. And I plan to use GitHub along with my final project. And here is my GitHub repository link. These are the technology I plan to use for the project: JavaScript, Node.js, MongoDB, Bootstrap, and Chart.js. Features are the functions I plan to implement for my project. Sign up for an account. User can sign in an account by inputting name, email, and password. User will get a warning message for invalid input format. User will be then redirected to login page after register. And the handling URL will be /user/register. Login feature. User can log in with a registered email and password. User will get a warning message if email and password are not matched. And the URL is /user/login. Logout feature. User can log out of an account. And the URL of the logout function will be the /user/logout. Next, view all expenses. User can view all expenses details via a list after login. User can see total amount of all expenses in number. User can see total amount of each category via a pie chart. And the URL is /expense. Next, create an expense. User can add an expense via form after login. User will get a message for invalid input format. And the URL is /expense/add. Next, edit an expense. User can edit an expense after login. And the URL is the /expense/edit/the expense ID for a particular expense. Next, delete an expense. User can delete an expense after login. User will get a confirmation message before actual delete. And /expense/delete and particular expense ID. Next, the filter expenses functions. User can filter expenses based on months after login. URL is /search. And next, page not found. User will get an error message when going to a page that is not existing. And this URL will be / and any other URL. And the data structure stored in MongoDB will be expenses document. And here are the properties: date, amount, type, category, description. Next, also the user information will also be stored in the database. A name, and the email and the password. Thank you.